My name is Amy Willis from Amy Willis Consultancy. I attended the Round Square Marketing Social Essentials workshop last year and absolutely loved it. The key takeaways from the Social Essentials course were the actual takeaways that you got to take home. So the printed material and the practical information that you got that you were able to then tailor to your needs within your business. The Social Essentials workshop really helped me to understand how to read the insights of my social media properly, and then from that I was able to know when to post and what my audience engages with the most, which has then helped me with my social media and my business. I would highly recommend any of the Round Square Marketing social media workshops, because I feel like they really know what they're doing and they deliver the content in such an easy to understand way that you're not left feeling like you don't know where to go from here. And also they're just an amazing team and a fun group of people to be around, so why wouldn't you want to do the course with them?